learned the Arabic language from the Arab themselves. Now, all of this I'm explaining to you in very summary and a little bit vague without details, just for me to get to a point, which is, at that time, there was no grammar, there was no rules, there was no mubtada, no khabar, no syntax, i'rab, all of these things. But rather, as you can see, Isma'el, he learned the Arabic language from them, as in from just living with them and seeing how they express their intents on a day-to-day basis about what they want to say, about what they want to make the other person understand. And this is why likewise it was reported in Al-Mustadrak ala As-Sahihain, which is a book on hadith, that Burayd ibn Husayb radiallahu anhu, he said within the explanation of bilisanin Arabiyyin mubin, which is an ayah in the Quran, he said, meaning bilisan Jurhum, with the language of Jurhum, of that tribe that Isma'el Alayhiss-Salaam learned Arabic from. So going back to our rule, you always start with vocabulary. When Isma'el Alayhiss-Salaam, he learned the Arabic language from Jurhum, from this tribe of people. At that time, it wasn't written, it was spoken. So you need to have a heavy emphasis on learning how to speak the language and learning how to repeat sentences and expressions. And then grammar will come later, which we are going to talk more about it in another rule of when we need to start using the grammar. And this is why in Andalus Institute, after every lesson, the student is forced to go into